Just in case if you're wondering which application we are going to build, or if you have never checked out the Django documentation, then let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the official Django web page. As you can see, you can go to djangoproject.com, and here if you click on documentation, here they have all of the official documentation. And here you can see that under the first steps they have like 6 or 7 parts official tutorial series. So just click on part number 1, and here you can see that they are going to show you how to create a basic polls application. So this is what I'm referring to when I say the official Django polls application. And once the entire application is complete, let me show you how it is going to look like. So this is going to be our application. It looks very simple. It's a very simple polls application. So here we have 2 different questions. So let me click on this one. Python is easy to learn. And here we have different choices. Suppose I click on agree, then I cast my vote. And here we have the result. So for agree we have 3 votes, neither agree or disagree we have 0, and for disagree as well we have 0 votes. So this is what we are essentially going to create in this series. Now let me show you the backend or the admin. So this is the admin. So here you can see we have the polls application, and on the top also you can see that we have a custom admin view, and you can click on choices. So these are all of the choices that I have created till now. And if you go to questions, so these are the 2 questions which I have created. If you click on the question, you can see that we can edit all of the details inside the question as well. And as you can see, I have also created a custom admin view. So we will learn all of these things inside this tutorial. The next thing which I wanted to show you is from where you can download the official GitHub repository. So this is my GitHub. You can go to github.com/octallium/Django polls. So here is the official GitHub repository which I have created. What you can do is you can just click on code, and from here either you can clone the GitHub repo or you can download the zip file, whatever suits you. And once you have downloaded all of the source code, this is how it is going to look like. Now in my case, I may have a couple of more extra files just for the sake of creating these tutorials, but overall you may have a pretty similar kind of a folder structure. And let's get started right in the next video.